Welcome everyone. This is a tutorial on how to save your product research searches. So what you do is you first come here to the product research tool, and let's say you're looking for baby wipes, for example. And after the results come up, you click here on this button to save search, and then you can leave a comment, for example, niche with potential. And then you have the ratings here, and then you save. And where do you see this list? Well, you come here on management panel, and then you click saved product searches. And then you're gonna see here the eBay saved searches and the AliExpress saved searches. Then here I have comment, rating, date added, and so on. And once you click here on the term, it will take you there, and the status will be like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day.